Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Google Smart Lock on Realme C67 device. Okay, certainly, while Google Smart Lock offers convenience by providing various unlocking methods based on trusted locations, devices, or conditions, some people might choose to turn it off for specific reasons. And then the way to turn it off, first thing first, open Please Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can scroll down and then please select the security and privacy option. Okay, after that in this section, you can scroll down again and then you can select the very bottom option. Well, after that, here will appear more security settings on your device. And then please scroll down. After that, you can choose Trust Agent option. Okay, and then you can turn it off by pressing this button. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Google Smart Lock on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.